Hello and welcome back. So now I will show you how we create a gig on Fiverr. We have to follow the 6 steps and our gig will be published. I will suggest you first watch the whole course then implement it, and we will discuss why new seller gigs not approved so that you don't do this mistake. So let's open the new tab and open fiverr.com. So the first gig we will create is remove image background. Later I will show you how you can do this work. So lots of gigs and starting at $5 you can change the currency from here. So by default is United States dollar. So let's close this. So we will follow the first gig and we create our gig like that. So let's open this. So you can see that already two orders in queue. So in basic package he will remove background from 10 images in just 24 hours. In standard package he will charge $30 and 10 complex images. In premium package he will charge $95 for 200 images. Here you can see some images of his work. So let's create our gig similar like that. You can open other gigs and got an idea, so it will help you to create your gig. I just want to show you so that you can learn how we do such type of work and start selling on Fiverr. So the category is graphic and design and subcategory is Photoshop editing. So first write our title. For example, I will remove background from image in 24 hour. Now select the category and subcategory. Now select the editing type. Let's see. So our editing type is background removal. Select this. And our file format is JPEG, PDF and stuff like that. So let's click on all of these. Now we need to enter search tags. It will help you when someone search on Fiverr and will show your gigs to the clients. So let's scroll down a little bit and here's some related tags. So let's copy this and paste it on our gig. Now our first step is completed, so click on save and continue button. So in the next step we have to define our scope and pricing. Here you can see his basic package. So let's write down our basic package. Basic $5, and copy this and paste it here. So edit this, we will remove 10 images background, something like that, and select the delivery days, in how many days you will deliver the project. Now select the revisions, means which when you deliver the project and client wants some modifications, so how many times you will do that. So select unlimited, select the number of images. Option is not available, we will select the unlimited. Okay, now select these other options and select the price. So almost done now. Now we don't provide any extra services and stuff like that. So now click on the save and preview and check how our gig looks so far. So now our gig is incomplete, but you can see your basic, standard and premium package, also our title and stuff like that. So great work so far. Now move on to the third step, which is description and FAQ. So this is basically the description in which he is mentioning his expertise or services and stuff like that. So let's write our description. Now you can add some FAQs also. So let's copy some questions and paste it. So when client visits your gig and he has some confusion, but when he check your FAQ section, maybe his confusion is clear and he got his answer. So it is really helpful. So our third step is also done. Let's save and preview this in browser. So our gig is looking nice so far. Description is clear, and let's scroll some little bit, and here you can see our FAQ section. So now let's move on the fourth step, which is the requirement. In simple words, when client order on your gig, what things we want from our client so that his order start and we start working on that. So add a question. Let's click on save and continue. So in the fifth step, we can add a video and some pics which will be appear on our gig so that client can see our work and order on our gig. So let's upload some pics. Right now I am uploading some pictures which is not mine. Later I will show you how you can remove the background and create pics for our gigs. So when we upload pics on our gig, which is actually the pictures of some others person, what will happen, and this is a beginner mistake that mostly new sellers do that. So what Fiverr do that, when we publish our gig within few minutes or hours, our gig will be rejected and removed from the Fiverr, and it will move on to the denied gig section. So I will show you practically so you don't do this mistake. So click on this. Now click save and continue button. So almost done now. No, I am not a US person. Let's save this. So congratulations, you were almost done with your first gig. So now we need to verify our phone number so that our gig will be published. So verify your phone number, add a security question, and your gig will be published. So let's do that. Now click on publish gig button. So our gig is live now. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one.